Sant Sujan International School was established on the auspicious day of 5th April 1999. It was founded by Sant Gurmukh Singh Ji for a noble cause and to perpetuate the memory of his revered father, a distinguished saintly person widely known as Sant Sujan Singh Ji Maharaj. Each day at school starts with the morning prayer assembly, where not only they learn spiritual values but also enhance their social skills, moral values and confidence to perform amongst audience. All our classrooms are naturally lit and ventilated to provide students suitable environment for learning. Our classrooms feature latest smart class equipment to facilitate e-learning.
We create a positive school experience to each and every child so that they develop their confidence and become a successful learner. Various facilities of science and maths lab, computer classes and smart classes are also there in the school, which help in collaborative learning.
The school computer lab has the latest software and hardware that enable the students to learn computers and information technology. Maths lab lays emphasis on application of concepts taught in the classes, inferences, observation and conclusion during math activities, ensure clarity and ignite interest in the subject. The school houses a composite science lab that gives hands-on experience of the concepts learned in the class. It helps them to create, indulge, experiment, derive, and be innovative. The interactive social science lab with latest models and tools makes learning more interesting and the world of history more vivid and intriguing. A state-of-the-art library that houses a wide variety of books is the favorite place for the students where reading is emphasized upon. Author of the month, reading rewards and such activities motivates the students to browse, pick and read a plethora of books. We have an air-conditioned, spacious, illuminated with natural light dance room with high-quality music system. The decorum of the dance room features a large wall mirror, making it an ideal space for dance-related activities. Music room witnesses the vocal training of the budding singers as they sing with the ones who learn various instruments like drums, guitar, tabla. Students here take active interest in theatre performances including Nukkar Natak. This helps children develop confidence and ability to express and present themselves, which is a much required trait in the modern times. The Sant Sujan Singh Ji School, a pioneer in the field of sports, aims at providing the platform for the students to learn and excel in various sports and games. Early morning sports classes and excellent facilities in sports, including proper practice and cricket pitch, along with football fields, synthetic courts for badminton, world-class table tennis facilities, along with other sports, are available for the young players, giving them a glimpse of the professional sporting world. With specialized coaches for all sports, we aim to carve out the perfect sportsperson in our students. Early morning classes for martial arts emphasizes on building confidence, courage, and a never giving up attitude. The school also houses various indoor games, including chess, which greatly helps to enhance analytical ability. We lay emphasis on providing a secure and healthy environment to the students, wherein healthcare facilities form an integral part of the school healthcare system. At Sant Sujan Singh, safety and security of children is our prime motto. We use latest access control system and CCTV monitoring along with effectively guarded campus to provide a healthy environment where children and parents always feel safe. The school also has dedicated facilities for our little Montessori champs, specialized classrooms, along with thoughtfully designed infrastructure in synchronization with curriculum designed and developed by experts to make the first steps in education a joyful experience. The school also provides healthy and hygienic meals for the young children to maintain a balanced diet as a part of their lifestyle.